Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to switch off sensitive content on Twitter. Now this will apply on your mobile phone as well, so just follow the steps on your mobile phone as well, but we're going to do this on our computer. So we can go to more and we can go to settings and privacy. Now here you can go to search settings and you can type in content and you can click on content you see here. And once you're here, what you need to do, you need to have this checked, by the way, and then you have to go to search settings and you need to hide sensitive content. You need to uncheck this, right? As you can see, save search settings updated. Now you can see pretty much, and you turned off a sensitive content on Twitter, and you can see sensitive content on Twitter. Now this is exactly the same steps on your mobile phone, iOS and Android as well, and iPad, whatever you have. Now, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments down below and I will make sure to answer all of them. And if you have any concerns as well. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I hope this video helps you. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.